I'm here for a very quick announcement. So, Guinea, I have a very serious problem here. I have several fake accounts of me on Facebook. And it's been going on for a while now. Honestly, I cannot use energy. My hair is not done. My eyebrows are not done also. I woke up at 2, about an hour ago. Yeah. I couldn't sleep. Go first 5 exam. Was it 5 or 6? 5 or 6. Because I trying to figure out gains and jams. I'm an account in their fake. And now my game is getting out of hand. These accounts are using my name to ask money from people. I don't DM or I don't just inbox Nike. Yeah, there's a reply. Vele ngiyaphendula kumantombazana abantu angaphendula inbox abafana guys. I do not reply to guys. Do not reply to guys on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp. So as I was saying, I found like my account on toilet, they are all fake. Bonke basebenzisa isithombe sami bathi bayini bacelana nabantu abayethami ka-5 rand. Angisazi ayikho indlela engingavimba ngayo le nto because uma ngithole i-account bese ngiyayiripota qhamukela. I'm just like this nginqamuka ulayini because what do you mean? Silokhu ngilonge defender akusini angina energy angina power futhi into ehlanganisa nokukhuluma ayikho. Angizange ndikhulumisayo honestly. I hate ukukhulumisayo because njalo ngilokhu ngikhulumayo manje. But if there's a profile or an account uyibonayo, then go Facebook, go one in Ndlovu phela, go one in Ndlovu. That's my only Facebook profile. Lawa amanye angiwazi, honestly angazi ukuthi aqhamukaphi. Ayangidinga because now abantu bayangibuza ukuthi is this you? Wenzani? Wara. Okay, i-Wi-Fi is a little bit on and off. Not so it's a little bit on and off. Wi-Fi I don't know what's going on. Wi-Fi network is dead. And it's going to be ngiphisene ngakhona ngifoni yandrivele ngibhekane kodwa naye ayibusend help ikhanda lami limile guys ngenza njani because amaningi vele besengarepothe ama-account but amanye futhi they keep coming up and vele abemaningi. Izolo sithole i-account uSmilo and that's the name abantu abajwayele ukuthi are you not Smilo? Guys, I mean Smilo. I have only one name and igama lami one name and my nickname is Z. Lawa amanye angiwazi, abanye amahle, abanye angibazi ukuthi ubani. Kisanga ngisinge ngisabathe ngiyazazi. Ngivilaphe ngisho ukwenza ikhanda namhlanje. ngilaphe nje yonke into kahle kahle, ngilaphile yonke into, ayikho into engenzeni nje. I woke up, took a shower, njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngivuke ngo-2 p.m. I woke up, I took a shower, ngadla, and then yeah, that's it. Kusenjalo-ke futhi ngizobuyela ekulaleni namanje because siyama nge-stress, ngifisa ngathi ngadla bese ngiyalala bese siyanyamalala i-stress kanje akhambi kahle yayo. I-stress asinyamalala, sihlale sikhona. Ngizophinde ngibe nayo namhlanje ebusuku. I'm going to detail ukuthi kahle kahle what's going on, but yeah, it's going on and it's not nice. It's going on and it's not nice. I know abantu abaningi they take it as a joke. Ama-account angaka fake, kusho ukuthi i-influence. That's not like, okay, I wish nami ngithola fun lento, but actually it's not funny because abantu bayaskameka and my name using my photos bascam abantu ngesamba zami. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi angivele ngiye ku-Facebook once because lento lena nje ungangimosheli isikhathi honestly. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngiye ku-Facebook and ngiqhubeke no-TikTok no-Instagram, but also naku-Instagram akhona fake account akhona lapho. I've been reporting non-stop since ngikhathele. So guys, if you wanna a Facebook profile that is not by the name of Ugwane Nduli, that is not me, please report and I don't know, unfriend or unfollow or report to blog. Just please spread the word, like, guys. Angisiyivi nasemzimbeni, angisiyivi, ikhanda lami liphethene, angazi ukuthi ngenze njani manje. But hopefully ngizofuna indlela yokulungisela inkinga vele ayikho because every day ngithola iprofile entsha eney'thombe zami. Kanjani nakungathi uhlupheke kanjani, ningahluphekeli kumina. Guys, kusithatha isibindlela ezenzekela umuntu uzocela imali ebantwini, isidingo sami mina-ke mnikazi sekumele ngithini ebantwini because abantu have questions for days. And now I'm sitting here wondering ukuthi bangaki abantu abaskemekile bethu. Lo muntu is actually gonna ruin my image engiyikhandele wona ngamandla amangaka. Because I remember when we were last game on TikTok, bengazi ukuthi ngizofika to a point whereby ngizobona followers of 100k and more. It just happened overnight. So that's why I'm paying it. I have like 100,000 people that follow me on TikTok, and then there's just one scammer. Or Facebook, kusami kuzophatha kusami akusekumele ngizenzeni ngiphi, because nokudefenda mina ngithanda uma uba defensive, it's very suspicious. So angithandi ukuba defensive, but also I have to defend myself because abantu bafuna impendulo which anginazo. Guys, I don't have any answers. I don't know what to umuntu engibuza ukuthi if that's not you, then I don't know what's going on now. Create a fake account man, and it's just so one thing that's holy. Well, one of them number yakhe, but what's Ntombazane? That's Ntombazane, and she's actually not so active on WhatsApp. So I've not had a chat with her like Valentine because it was a thing of I could say hi and she said hi back. Then so that's where the conversation ended. So my next step is on video call. ngifuna nje ukumvidiyo call ngimbuze ukuthi unikwa ngani, ungenzani. Ngithanda into ayingichaze ngizothini ebantwini. That's my question. Ngizothi ebantwini ngizothini? Okay, ngiyabona vele bakhona abalaziyo iqiniso, but like baningi abangelazi iqiniso, because intombazane went as far as ukuqoma my boyfriend's friend, but angithi this guy did not know anything, so uyamshela uyavuma. On a random day call with ubhuti, useyabuza umngani kabhuti ukuthi hayibo intombazane le ngayishela yangiqoma, and that's where I saw ukuthi okay, this is getting out of hand. Uzongixabanisa nabantu big time, because I'm sure ukuthi uqoma waquleka ngoku. And into engidinga kakhulu ukuthi abantu bayamnika imali, okay, bayamnika unemali la ekhona. Shula mina ngibroke, kusetshenziswa mina nje acela imali ebantwini. Ngaze ngayisongaphiza ukuthi TikTok webma angizwani nenkulumo, and yonke yabona inkulumo ihlangahlangene okwamanje. So let me take a quick nap. It's not gonna be quick ngoba kuwu-4 nje mhlawumbe ngizovuka ngo-6, if not 6 then 7, and then maybe just maybe ngiphinde ngibe live futhi. But angina energy, I hope nani niyabona, and I hope you guys are gonna be okay. Enjoy the rest of your day. I love you guys so much. Bye.